So in this question, again, a lot of times you see that the relationship between these are the curves, right? And then the relationship is somehow you cannot solve x in terms of y or y in terms of x, and a cubic is involved, and the other one has to power 2, or both of them are cubic. It's not just possible to solve one for another. A lot of times it's that way, not necessarily every time. And those are the ones that we are interested in doing other methods, because the Calc2 methods don't work as well. Now, here it's telling you that f is 0 and x. A quick computing the curl is giving you curl is equal to curl sub z, means component in z direction of f is going to be 1. So I know if I do a double integral of 1 dA over this region D, I'm going to get the area of D. So this means that if I compute the double integral of curl of f, I will get the area, basically. But that reminds me of basically, it reminds me of the Green's theorem, 2D. Otherwise, I would say Stokes. It reminds me of Green's theorem. And so basically, this part is hard to find. So what I do is I'm going to basically, not only it's difficult to find in Calc2, in Calc3 for previous material, it's hard to find, because this double integral becomes a Calc1 integral, a Calc2 integral again. So now I'm going to instead use Green's theorem and compute the left-hand side to get the area in here. So how we go about that, R is given, so we compute R prime. And that's this, and that is that. And then f of, so first step, second step, f of R of t. So plugging in x for the second, that's f, right? For the second one, I plug in that. 19 minutes. And then dotting in together. And we end up at 20t times 19 minus t cubed. And that is 180 t squared minus 20 t to the power. Then take the integral from -3 to 3. Basically, from -3 to 3, you go one full round and come back where you are at. And -3 and 3 come from here. And so 180 t squared minus 20 t to the power. What I mean is, going from here back, is that we should trust the parameterization that the problem is giving us, and trust that it's doing what is shown in here, basically. And so then you compute using a calculator or however you want to, and that's 1296. Now the second part is asking us, remember or compute the curl sub z of f is equal to 1. What is the area? That's exactly that. This entire story was that. So you did a line integral to find the area. and contour line in a gold to find it.